Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music.
Hey, good morning, everybody. How are y'all doing today?
Artlist.io.
Oy, looks like my mic's fault. I'll be back once I gotta get a tool.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gonna tighten up this little nut on my tool here, or with my on my mic. The mic's like fully over.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. All right, so what do we got going on? We're a little bit bearish out of the gate right now. Let's take a quick look at news after I get my VWAPs up here. Standard issue.
Artlist.io.
Mamanda. What's up, David?
Hey, Nick. Good morning. Oh, it looks like you're in a different location now, eh?
I am. We had
Music
to
licensing
head back
reimagined.
over to Santa Teresa to look at a villa resort place. Now we're in a different one.
Nice.
Be here until Saturday, and then heading back to Vita.
Okay. Looking like we got some yellow flag and some red flag stuff today. We got University of Michigan sentiment at 7,
Artlist.io.
which is red flag, or red folder, sorry.
What are you red flagging here? And
Yeah.
why?
University Michigan sentiment final.
Yep. Opening range is what? A little over half a
Music
percent now?
licensing reimagined.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Today's going to be a fun day.
Artlist.io.
Did you manage to take any of those shorts yesterday?
Yeah. I was actually. Sorry, I'm just trying to look at the opening range here.
Music licensing reimagined.
So early on, I actually took like 3 losses in a row up in that chop before we sold off. So I think I was down almost 500 in all of my Lucid accounts.
Ooh.
And I basically got it back and ended up positive about 500, almost 500 on the day. So I was down by like 3 grand,
Artlist.io.
and then I was up 500 at the end of the day. So
I mean, at least you were up 500 at the end of the day.
yeah, well, I mean, I stopped trading. I ended the stream, and then that sell-off started happening. So I was like, well, I can't not trade this. Like, it's just,
Yeah.
like it just wants to die. So I took, probably about three or maybe 4 trades, like shorts, throughout that whole time of it just going lower. Just waited for pullbacks, got in, wrote it down a bit, closed it out.
Yesterday I wish I would have just taken one trade short and
Right,
left
yeah.
it all day.
Yeah,
Artlist.io.
Unfortunately, I didn't do a whole lot of trading yesterday.
yeah.
I did manage to have my account drop by about $40,000 yesterday.
Oh,
So
my
that was
God.
nice.
That's your personal account.
Yeah.
With the options.
Options, stocks, everything. Just
Yeah.
oh, I'm sorry. No, it was $63,000.
Oh my God,
That's what
That's,
they say about that nonsense.
that's a number to stomach.
Yeah.
Wow.
When I looked at it, I kind of went, oh. Then I realized that this is we're in a correction right now,
Yeah,
and it's honestly it is a huge number for someone like me. It's a huge number, but these are all long time frame options and stock holds, so I'm not really all that concerned about
Music
it yet.
licensing reimagined.
Now, 2 months from now, if I'm still down that much, there's going to be issues.
yeah,
Looking like we're getting a little bit of a bounce here.
Artlist.io.
yeah. That's weird.
I'm on NQ right now. Let me pull up the EMS. EMS.
You need the EMS after yesterday and seeing your price, the price of your
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Music
Oh,
licensing
Uncle Nicky had a heart stroke.
minus 60K. I need EMS right now.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so I had a hockey game last night, so I'm running on about 5 hours sleep. So
Oh, so you're going to be trading real well today, is what you're saying.
yeah, I'm gonna be.
You're
I'm
just going to be on top of your
maybe-
game,
careful here today.
feeling fresh.
Probably won't touch. Maybe I won't touch my
I
unless
know.
something really starts looking good. I'm not going to copy trade my 6 accounts for now.
All right.
So get this. Yesterday I decided to pick up a new Top 1 Futures 50K account, and
Okay.
I can't copy trade it with my other 50K account because
Oh, yeah,
changed
they
the
have
rule.
a-
reimagined.
Yeah, they because they're different rules. Like you couldn't trade or copy the Ignite accounts with the one of their instant funded. You couldn't trade their instant funded with their test accounts. So yeah, pain.
Yeah, and they're both just regular instant funded 50Ks, but because they changed the daily
Artlist.io.
loss limit on one. You can't trade them together.
Good lord.
I'm like, are you serious? Like, if I would have known that, to be honest, I would have just picked up another TPT account.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
You've
I'm
been better off.
a little bothered by that.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know. People really like Top 1 Futures. I'm really like my least favorite out of all of them so far.
Yeah, I hate. I promote them, and yeah, I'm not feeling.
And it's different for everybody. It's just how you trade, what you want to do, whether you're copying, whether that
Artlist.io.
20% consistency rule is something that you can stomach.
Yeah,
But everyone I know, other than me, and possibly you, has had just great experiences with Top 1.
Music licensing
It's just not for me.
reimagined.
yeah. I mean, they do have, their customer service is good.
That is one thing. Their customer service is the best in the business.
Artlist.io.
And the payout's quite fast. Hey, Trevor and Johan. Hey, morning, guys. Haven't seen Trevor in a minute, and it's been almost a week since I've seen Johan. Morning. Good morning.
What's going on, guys?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, so we're kind of stuck right now in between the put control and value area low. So until we get out at least of one of those, I'm not really looking to touch this at the moment. So,
Yeah, I'm not seeing anything I want to do here.
what is going on here? Actually, I better check my I updated all my levels yesterday, but then when I came to my computer, all of my like windows were closed for some reason. And it's not like a restart because my computer is a little bit weird. I have to hit, like F2 when it does a restart, and then select the right hard drive to load the computer, so it didn't restart on me. But yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly take a look and make sure that my levels, because my VWAPs were put back to where they were, and I updated them all yesterday.
Artlist.io.
Okay, it looks like my levels are okay, but it looks, I guess the VWAPs were not saved or something, I guess.
I got nothing for you. I'm not your tech guy.
I know.
Sorry.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Sorry, buddy. I ain't your tech guy. Can't help you out here.
There we go. I mean, I feel like after yesterday, there's a chance we're going to be heading a bit lower here today in general, but
I don't know. I'm thinking if overnight lows hold.
yeah. I mean, we have made some
Artlist.io.
higher lows.
Overnight. I think if overnight lows hold, I think it's going to go a little bit higher here. This is just an opinion. I have no basis for this whatsoever because I'm kind of an
Music
idiot.
licensing reimagined.
So, Trevor, you're hunting, hey? Took a break while you're hunting. Nice. I mean, that's a great thing to be doing if you're taking a break.
Artlist.
Got to get out, get that fresh air. I'm doing good, Johan. Yesterday was my birthday. I ended up playing a hockey game last night. We won 7-5, and I got a hat trick. Woo!
Hey,
3 nice goals and a really nice assist
Music
also.
licensing reimagined.
So I'm feeling pretty good about the hockey game, anyways.
so what are you like 45 now, you said?
46.
46?
Yeah.
I wasn't that far off.
Yeah, that's close.
Artlist.io.
My midnight open price wasn't correct though, and I set that up for sure. So that was so weird. So weird.
Yeah, previous days VWAP is seems to be a level of support right now, but we're only
Music licensing
14 minutes in,
reimagined.
so
Dow just is going lower big time right now.
is it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's so weird. My VWAPs are all not updated anymore. It just didn't save it for whatever reason. So
Need to get yourself that Trader's Post VWAP.
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
Just change mine to midnight, and it's in that little channel right there. So we got midnight under us by a couple of
Good
points.
decent
Oh wow, it bounced right off the midnight.
we got something coming up here in 10 seconds. So U.S. service PMI selection. U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI.
Excuse me.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, you're a young boy. Johan says you're a young boy.
Young boy, eh? How old are you, Johan? I guess that's not polite to ask. Girls usually don't like that.
Music licensing reimagined.
Trying to get my midnight open set here. My level, anyways.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think I'm gonna unplug my laptop and go sit by the pool.
Oh yeah, nice. Get a better view going.
It's a slow morning. I'm not in a rush to get into anything, so
Yeah.
And
Yeah, like I
it's,
said, we're kind of in this range here, and I definitely want to see us
Artlist.io.
figure something out here before we're getting anything. Maybe some good momentum continuation today. So
Here, I'll give you a tour.
oh, nice. Big windows.
Music licensing
Are those like garage door
reimagined.
windows?
No, this is just the
The back doors.
back doors.
Nice.
Get a wet bar in the house.
Ooh. Yeah, that's really cool. Nice one.
Artlist.io.
That's better.
Nice. Okay.
Music licensing reimagined.
Never ask a woman her age, Dave.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said.
I mean, I believe it was Coco Chanel who, whenever somebody would ask how old she was, instead of saying she was younger than she was, she always added 10 years onto her age. So people would say, wow, you look great.
That's interesting.
Artlist.io.
So I'm 60 now. If anybody asks, I'm 60.
56 today.
Alright. Damn, you look good, man. So you got a good skincare regimen, or
Thank you.
Music licensing reimagined.
56 going on 36.
You're 56, you look 46, you act 26.
Artlist.io.
Alright, it's
Music
looking like that
licensing
Umish nonsense is
reimagined.
coming in, or is coming already. It says 9 a.m. Central Time.
Yes, exactly.
What? Thought there was more news than that today.
I think that's the only one. Well, it's there's a red folder and 2 yellow folders.
Oh,
All
okay.
Michigan sentiment stuff at the same time.
Artlist.io.
Sentiment final, expectations and conditions. And that's in 10 minutes here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, so I thought that was pretty crazy. Like that, because there's a daily loss limit on this account, they won't let you copy trade them. Like, it just doesn't make sense to me. Like, if it hits a daily loss limit, shouldn't matter if you're, you know what I mean? Like,
It shouldn't. But them's the rules, so you gotta play by them.
so then I guess they want you to buy, if you want to copy trade, you got to buy 3 of like the new accounts
Yep.
with the worst rules.
Are they?
Well, daily loss limit, I mean, could be considered a worse rule because it, take you out of a trade if you wanted to risk the whole account, right?
Music licensing.
Okay,
reimagined.
but
Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm not saying I'm gonna do that, but
yeah, I don't
like,
think anybody should be doing that ever.
I set my daily loss limit lower than that, anyways. But
Okay.
you know what I mean? Like, if you, like, if you wanted to trade a little bit heavier, yeah, I don't know. I've just also had some bad experiences with getting taken out of a trade by a loss limit,
Gotcha.
So take
And
you
then
out
it turns
by a
around
couple
and goes
ticks.
all the way to your take profit.
Yeah. On multiple occasions, that's happened to me. So kind of like hit my max daily loss limit, or, well, not like the daily loss limit, because it's usually
Music
lower than that. But
licensing reimagined.
it's a catch-22 on that one sometimes, and then it locks you out and you can't even trade anymore. The protection, but it's also
Artlist.io.
can be negative, I guess. Yeah.
Got a nice opening range. Now it's
Music
just sitting in this
licensing
channel.
reimagined.
Yep.
Why did it come back today? Just sit here and
Just be patient.
oh yeah, it's gonna test my patience today. Broke out of that regular VWAP though. It just passed through it. So
Okay. Austin just got long. It was funny, like probably 30 seconds ago. So he's like already going in his favor already. He said he was looking at the book and he's like, "Oh, I think you're gonna fill these orders above." So he just went long. And looks like they want to fill those orders above. It's, up to 6,600. There's a whole cluster of orders here.
Music licensing reimagined.
66.58.
IO.
That's where it's going to go to today.
66.58.
That's what I'm saying. Will it? I don't know.
Maybe all the way to the 4.6s.
Oh, maybe.
That's a popular
Randy be
number.
real happy about that.
Yeah, and
Music
like
licensing
what was it?
reimagined.
Yesterday or the day before? The day before, I think it was really key level. Like it just touched it so many times, and the previous day before that too. It's like below it, above it, holding support, being resistance. Like it's weird how those types of numbers kind of actually really actually plays.
So I've got
Artlist IO.
2 micros, and it's 65, 86.50.
Nice.
Just gonna let these go for however long I can. Ooh, that's a nice big green
Music
candle.
licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
Austin's super. He's so close to his TP right now. It's pulling back. Will you stop up, Austin?
Oh, it's not pulling back that much.
No, it's like just away from his. It was like just about touching his order, and it's like, oh. Don't get edged, Austin. Don't get edged. Now he moved his TP up.
Artlist IO.
Good deal.
Why would you do that? Like it almost hit his profit or take profit, and then he's like, "Oh, I'm gonna give it another 5 points."
Music licensing reimagined.
Pulls back enough, I may end up adding to it.
Yeah, we did kind of break out of like this sort of like a wedge, which is a bullish or a bullish channel, anyways.
You know what? I was screwing around and I said 66.58 for a level.
Yeah.
It's 95 orders right there.
Oh yeah, nice. I see
Oh.
that.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
Oh, you know what? I think he closed part of. Okay, that's what he did. He did close some. He closed the majority of his position.
Just
And
left
left
a
a
runner on.
Music
Yeah,
licensing reimagined.
So that's why he moved it up. Okay, that makes sense. Because right now he just got stopped out on whatever was left, which is always what he says too. He's like, if you're gonna go break even, take the profits.
Yeah.
So I should just take all the profits there.
Excuse me.
No worries. How are you starting? You feeling better now?
Man, I just can't shake this cold.
Artlist IO.
Yeah.
What the hell is going on with me?
Yeah, it took me a good week for my sinuses and chest to clear up when I was sick. So after I stopped feeling so sick, just stuck around in the lungs, congestion, everything.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, so after my 3K loss on Monday, I turned the week. My week is up $233 now.
All right. That's
So,
good green.
Yeah.
Or it's good to be green. Or if you're Kermit, it ain't easy being green.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
Oh, so I got a little bit of update also on the pickleball center.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they I sent them a letter of intent Wednesday night, and they basically just refused me. So they're gonna go ahead and
Shut
open
the
the
front door.
pickleball.
Music
Yeah, they're gonna go and
licensing
open the pickleball
reimagined.
center themselves. They basically just stole my idea, and they're gonna run with it.
That is some fucking Chinese businessman bullshit right there.
100%, man. They didn't even give me a counter or anything. They didn't say, "Oh, this isn't work." Like, you know,
Yeah,
what a guy
because they saw
idea on
they saw
MNQ.
dollar signs with your idea. So yeah, of course they're not gonna.
Yeah,
Oh, we can do it ourselves. We've already got the building.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So
Artlist.io.
pretty annoying. But you know, maybe in a way I dodged a bullet there because there is some negatives on that property. There's a kind of a lack of parking. Well, there's parking, but it's like all scattered around the area, and it's all like, you know, a good maybe like a 5-minute walk.
Music licensing.
So that's not a very good
reimagined.
thing. And the building's really old, and the floor is a wood subfloor. So it's not very level, and it's not typically pickleball players play on a concrete floor, right?
And I have no idea. I've never played
So that's
pickleball.
it's just a couple main things that are not great about the property, and the building's very dilapidated.
Artlist.io.
Shit,
Yeah,
man,
it's
come,
water.
I'm telling you, just move down here.
10 seconds for mission sentiment here. But I did find a new location already in Abbotsford. It's about a 15-20 minute drive here. Oh,
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I just added to that position.
I just went long here, so sort of stop below this area down here. See if we can't get a little bit of continuation up here. I'm in at 65.87 here.
Artlist.io.
You're in at 65.80, you said?
65.86.25, yes. Not looking good at the moment, though.
Music
We rejected pretty
licensing
good there.
reimagined.
I'm gonna hold this for a while. I'm not seeing any real reason to get out of it. Until now.
Yeah.
Great.
If we make any lower here, probably get it.
Artlist.io.
Bookmap's got a bunch of orders above, nothing really below us until we got a little bit down at 65, 64.
Music licensing reimagined.
I guess if we were to break this, the downside would be out here.
And I'm out. No reason to stay in this and just keep hemorrhaging money.
Yeah, I'm out also there. Unfortunately, lost 169 on two contracts there. That's a pretty crazy move.
Artlist.
I'm down $200 per account.
If we start taking a continuing lower here, I'm actually gonna flip a little bias here on this. Although we do have a pretty large
Music
bullish fair
licensing
value gap from
reimagined.
pre-market here. Down below. Yeah, that's too bad. That just instantly went lower.
Ugh.
Gonna have to try to be patient here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it's the only thing we can do.
Music licensing.
It's gonna keep
reimagined.
sinking. What's going on here?
Yeah. Are we gonna get another yesterday? I mean, I wouldn't be against it, except for your.
I mean,
talking
I'd
down.
rather it go in the other direction, please and thank you.
Of course.
Why
But
you
the
even
shorts
got
were
that
just
shit
so
out
easy
there,
to
dude?
trade yesterday.
Yeah, but
Of course.
unfortunately, I was not trading much yesterday.
Protect Uncle Nick's portfolio.
Yeah, right. I got a hotel to buy here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
So we
reimagined.
touched the very top of that bullish fair value gap from pre-market. What time was that? 4:30. So 7:30, and bounced up. Of course. '80s, 67 to 86. Hey. Wow.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I think I'm gonna need to find a new career here. It's getting too stressful.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go be a pickleball instructor.
Yeah, no doubt. Well, the good thing is if you get a pickleball center going, you don't have to like actually work there all day. If you just get a key code and
Artlist.io.
24-hour open 24-hour with an app access key code.
Oh, you really thought this out.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got a huge huge business plan, everything. And there we go. We're back to my break-even price. What a bastard.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh boy. Now, is this going to skyrocket on us?
I don't know. Found resistance in this area previously.
Well, we got a double top on NQ 281.
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah.
I was just informed that the staff here has made our breakfast, and
Music licensing reimagined.
yeah,
You gonna go eat?
man, I ate like 4 hours ago when I woke up.
Oh yeah. So you got
So yeah,
staff
I'm
there.
hungry again already. What's that?
You have staff there.
Yeah,
Nice.
I almost tuned up the security guard last night.
Oh yeah.
I walked out to go to my truck, and it was first night in this place.
Artlist.io.
Didn't realize there was a security guard there, so I opened up the passenger door to my truck.
Yeah.
And I turned around, and he was 3 feet away from me.
Oh,
Scared the shit out of me.
right.
Music licensing reimagined.
I think I scared him as well. I literally like stepped toward him and just lifted my hand up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he backed up and was like, "Oh, hola, hola, hola." No
Oh.
English whatsoever.
Yeah.
And then explains to me that he's the security guy and he's going to be there from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. At this point, it's like, 10 o'clock at night, dark as hell. Like, okay. Sorry about that. Would you like some coffee? Something to eat?
Music licensing reimagined.
Now, how patient are we going to have to be here?
Artlist.io.
Oh, I'm actually short right now on NQ. It was going in my favor, but currently not.
Well, you definitely picked the right direction.
Yeah, it was in my favor, and then
Music
now it's popping up.
licensing
And
reimagined.
And just add to it.
that's a responsible thing to do, right?
I mean, the way things are moving right
There
now.
we go. In my favor here. Come on, a little more down. Getting ready to drop the stop here. 22 points in profit. The stop. There we go.
Artlist.io.
Oh well, 89 bucks on that. Covered a little bit there. Yeah, just after that big bearish rejection there, when I looked over at the NQ, I was like,
Music
oh geez, this
licensing
is like
reimagined.
looking like it wants to go down to previous day low. Kind of got there.
I took a single mini short on ES for 4 points.
Ooh, nice. That's a nice recovery.
I mean, that was the couple $100 I lost 15 minutes ago. So
Yeah, so you're back to basically break even.
I'm break even for the day.
Nice.
But I just put in another short on ES. So I am up 2 points on it now.
Nice.
Not liking this now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Dow's bouncing up a bit, coming up to the 200 EMA, but it's in a bearish fair value gap currently, so NQ's got this bullish fair value gap again, also from that 730 candle East Coast, and this pullback found the top of that range and just bounced. So I would want to see what happens when we get down to sort of like 24,050 or 6550 on ES. That's right where value area low and 50% of that fair value gap. See if we don't get a bounce off that. Man, the price is just, it's moving quite a bit today, but it's just not going anywhere yet.
It's not, it's just bouncing up and down. This is a lot of indecision. Buyers can't take control, sellers a little bit of control, but it's under VWAP. We got
Artlist.io.
3 bullish candles, 3 bearish candles on the 5 minute.
Yeah.
But if you look at the 15, it's been bearish since 8:30
Music
a.m.
licensing
Oh, yeah.
reimagined.
So
One,
there's no
two,
reason for me
four,
to really take any long time frame longs.
Yeah. Yeah, like six 15-minute candles in a row, relatively bearish anyways. There was, we had like a bearish hammer, then an indecision like doji. It was slightly green, but it's still a doji, and then a big bearish candle, and then after that, 3 huge wicks, and then a push down here.
IO.
So this price action. Oh,
And I'm out of that one. All right, I'm up a little bit on the day now.
nice. Very good.
Music
Oh, look at that.
licensing
$431 on the day.
Sweet. Yeah, nice push down into that fair value gap. 74.
I'll take a little bit of green today. Got to make up about 60 grand here. That's what I say about that nonsense.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna go and grab some coffee and a bowl of fruit or some such nonsense. I'll
right.
be back in un momento.
Sounds good.
Artlist IO.
Un momento, señor. Gracias. Dar would love 550 on MNQ.
I'd love a cigar and a good glass of scotch.
Music
Here, I'll leave you with a good view.
Reimagined.
Oh, nice. Looks nice. All right, we're bouncing here. Still stuck in that range, though. I don't know. I feel like I should be watching NQ today. I feel like I should be watching NQ. I don't know.
Artlist IO.
Any of you guys in a trade right now? Zar, you said 550. You thinking 550 on the upside? Like 24, 550?
Music licensing reimagined.
A little reluctant to take it. I mean, I feel like we should take a short here right now, but we're just sitting in that fair value gap on the 15-minute here.
Artlist IO.
So that's kind of going to be a bit of a support area in my mind. So
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
going down into this fair value gap. Oh, tape's starting to go real quick here, guys. So let's see who's going to win this little battle right now. Oh, Trump is talking on a radio show right now, so you never know. Be careful, guys. Yeah, sleepy market. It's moving, but it's just not really going anywhere. We break opening range upside. Would love 24,550. By the way, things are moving. Maybe it's still too early, but more likely down for now. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, dude. I did like this idea of taking a little long scalp in this
Artlist IO.
in this fair value gap, but with us being pretty bearish at the moment. I was like, don't want to catch that falling knife if that is a falling knife, but
Music licensing reimagined.
you can't hear me? Is it working now? Did I break my mic? I'll go check my live here and see if it's coming through.
Artlist.io.
Microphone check. Okay, seems like it might be working now if it wasn't before.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nice bounce there out of that fair value gap. 45 up to 145. 100-point bounce there, guys. That's just savage.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing
Pushing down
reimagined.
here, pushing down. What a nasty candle, guys. Like, we were down here. This is a 15-minute candle, but we were down here. We went all the way up there, like 100 points up, and then we came all the way back down 100 points. So that was like a 100-point swing twice in the 15-minute candle. Yeah, 102
Artlist.io.
points. Savage. It's savage price action right now. And it's not nice. Not being nice to us at all.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we're down below previous day low. And now we're back above it. Never mind. Are we getting what are we doing here? What are we doing? Are we gonna make another 100 points lower here, guys? Like, this is crazy.
Music licensing reimagined.
just in this zone here, guys. Not really doing much. Kind of want to short here, but
Music licensing.
a couple 3-minute bullet,
reimagined.
relatively bullish candles, anyways. Green candles. But shouldn't be taking any trades here, guys.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There we go. Getting a big bounce here. Still hard to take this long though. We're sort of still just getting back into this sort of area here. But like from the low, like this got to be at least 200 points already. Pretty much, almost 180 points.
Artlist.io.
Very dangerous though. Dangerous price action today, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
Pretty scary price action, guys. Holy smokes, man. What is that? That's coming up on 100 points pullback right now. There we go. 100 point pullback right on that candle there. It's so nasty right now. I would just recommend not trading right now, guys.
Music licensing
It's just savage. Savage. Nasty price action, guys.
What the hell did you do to the market, Dave?
It's so nasty price action right now. It's just
I go for breakfast, I come back, and you turned everything to shit. What is going on?
it actually didn't go anywhere. You took the short, Johan, on that high?
Artlist.io.
It's almost a 200-point swing from this low wick to the high wick, Nick. And on NQ, 180 points.
This is ridiculous.
I missed
ES
the sell, Czar.
Music licensing reimagined.
This is nasty price action, man. Dangerous. I watched that previous 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
It went all the way down and then found support. It went all the way up 100 points, turned around, went all the way back down 100 points,
Artlist.io.
and then closed down near the lows. I was like, oh my god, man, just chopping people so heavily right now.
Oh, I'm imagining a lot of people right now are putting in shorts and getting wicked out on their stop loss.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm on the 15 on ES right now, and this just looks the wicks on this are stupid.
Oh yeah.
You have to have a stop loss set at 65.95 just to be even relatively safe today.
We got 42 points move on that last in this current 15-minute candle.
Yep.
On ES. So 40 times 5, that's $200 on one contract, one micro.
Ugh.
Nice, Zar. Good job. Good job. Zar's out on that short trade.
On a lighter note, I took a break and had breakfast, so
Nice. That's a win.
I had second breakfast today, so that's good. So one thing about being down here that I absolutely love is the fruit. The food here is not anything to write home about.
Gotcha.
Except for the fruit. Fresh pineapples every single day.
Pineapples are so good.
Pineapples, watermelon, like all of the fruit here, you can't get anything better. Don't ever order anything like a steak here. Forget it. You're going to be very disappointed.
Interesting.
I've made that mistake a couple of times. I won't do it again.
Reimagined.
So we're right at IB's just set. So sitting right on IB low right now.
Oh, it's going to bounce up. It's going to bounce up on ES another 40 points and then come back down.
I hope you're right, because I just took a long.
Did you really?
Yep. Stops and profit, 14 points. Here we go. We're out. $58.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, as soon as that candle started turning green off the bounce off the IB low, I was like, okay, well, short-term scalp here anyways.
Yeah, you got to keep your finger on that flatten button. You on NQ right now?
Yeah. So I'm down to only down $25 now on the day.
All right.
And I've only been
Doing
trading
better.
the 150K account, so.
Doing a lot better than I am on the day.
No, you're not. No, well, compared to your,
Yeah, well,
if you think only your futures accounts, I mean, you can't really think about those other ones, right?
I mean, it's kind of hard not to,
Of
but
course.
I'm up like $400 on the day for
Artlist.io.
a futures account, so
That's good.
I just need to do that another 150 times and I'll be green.
That's attainable.
Music licensing.
With this price action, just
reimagined.
buy the low
I mean-
and just wait for it to bounce up a bit, sell it, and wait for it to go up to the top. Sounds easy, right?
Yeah, it sounds like, oh yeah, simple, no problem.
YM's looking pretty strong right now.
Artlist.io.
Like,
Yes,
overall,
bounce up a little bit.
Yeah, well, ES is getting helped a little bit by YM, and NQ looks more heavy currently. You know, ES doesn't look that much better, but looks a little bit better, I think.
Music licensing reimagined.
They're both in that bullish fair value gap right now. On the 15-minute. Yeah, I kind of wish I went and bought the TPT account instead. I don't know. Shouldn't have grabbed the Top One Futures. But Top One Futures has 57.5% off right now. So that's kind of why I went that route.
Artlist.io.
Gotcha. What is it, their Black Friday sale or some such?
Yeah, I wasn't really sure exactly
When
what
is
it was.
Thanksgiving? Is it
I think it's next
next
weekend.
week?
Yeah, I think so. So guess what? I don't know if you may have heard, but Randy's
Music
going full time
licensing
on
reimagined.
ASFX.
No.
Yeah. So he's
So
won't be on the stream, I don't think, with us very much anymore. So he wanted to get on a call or something about it, but I haven't talked to him yet. So
that dirty dog.
yeah, they must be paying him something.
I mean, they must be.
Right.
Artlist.io.
They better be.
Yeah. So it looks like Tanner took some losses, multiple losses in a row here. But and he's off the stream
Music
now.
licensing reimagined.
Just called it a day and said,
Yeah. I think he locked out his account. I think he was up like 30 grand or something stupid in one account from yesterday. So I think he took a couple, like 2 or 3 losses in a row there, and he's like, all right, I'm done. Okay, so we're pushing that.
Yeah, you
we're
take
pushing
3.
below the fair value gap. So what was that?
Yeah, you take 3 losses in a row. It's time to get out.
Yeah. Especially if it sounds like he had a really, really good month or something. Like he's up like 80K or something on the month.
Music licensing reimagined.
He's been killing it lately. Seems that short's working real good now, Czar, if you're still in there. We just, how many points is this one? Another 100 point lower? What? Yeah, 111 points on this last 15-minute candle here.
Artlist.io.
You got a short end right now.
Nice. I was actually
65,
just thinking.
65.52.
Music
The tape is
licensing
just flying
reimagined.
right now. Woo, jeez, man. The tape is just like 100 miles per hour on NQ. I don't know. I'm sure it looks pretty strong on, pretty wild on ES right now too.
Yeah.
It just never looks the same as NQ. Like NQ's tape just goes so fast.
Artlist.io.
Good Lord, man.
Woof. Making some money on this trade, Nick.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
And I'm
Music
out.
licensing
Beautiful.
reimagined.
Take that $900 and call it a day.
Yeah, no doubt. That was definitely the trade right there.
Oh, it's starting to pull back too. I got out just in time.
Yeah, because it bounced 6 points right there. Damn, this NQ.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sheesh. 30 point pullback here on NQ right away after that low.
Yeah, we got almost a 10-point pullback. 9
Sorry.
points.
What did you say there?
11.
11
I
points.
said we got almost a 10 point because it's bouncing between 9 and 11 points for this pullback here.
Yeah, that's pretty wild. You know, we're in that bullish fair value gap still. So I heard Austin just say, I hope Tanner's trades didn't affect the chat much this morning. That sucks when you you know, you go on stream and then just take multiple losses. Hey Zar, yeah, I should have kept a runner.
But you know what? That whole going on stream and taking losses. Find anyone who doesn't take losses on at least a semi-regular basis.
Yeah.
If you the only thing you're showing is your wins,
it's not real.
No. Yeah, Zar should have kept a runner on that. I should have kept a runner on my first short too.
Trump is talking.
I'm sorry, what?
Trump is talking.
Great.
Let's see here. He was on like a radio show or something with somebody. So, but yeah, they just on the Squawk Box from Financial Juice, they're saying Trump, blah blah blah.
What I don't want to hear is anything out of that guy's mouth right now. Let the market figure it out.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I took a one micro short here. Well, might end up getting stopped out now. Sort of stop just above the wick of this current candle. See if they can't hold it down here and sort of head towards the bottom of this fair value gap. But looking like they want to bounce it right now. So pretty close to my stop here. Didn't risk too much there. I'm out. Yeah, so I end up losing 33 on that short. Kept it small on ES here, and yeah, looking strong now in this candle anyways.
Yeah, looking at the 15, it's still all sellers.
Yeah, it's just bad timing on the pullback there, and I don't want to let it keep bouncing.
Yeah, you don't know for today. It's this could go up another 50 points on this bounce.
Yeah,
and then the floor fall out from under it.
Artlist.io.
Trump's still talking. If things are working well, I will extend deadlines, he says. I'm not going to take more.
Okay, great. Deadlines for what this time? More tariff bullshit or?
Probably tariff stuff, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Orange deadline? What's the orange deadline?
Artlist.io.
How
Is that
long
a
is
reference to
his hair?
his Cheeto dust base makeup?
70-point bounce from the low there.
Music
on NQ.
Reimagined.
80-point bounce now. Jeez.
Still going up on NQ.
Kind of. Yeah, kind of. Still just holding a bit, but kind of.
Artlist.io.
YM's printing a nice bullish candle. Not going really anywhere, but green to red to green to red to green to red. So they didn't invert this 15-minute fair value gap on NQ there.
Licensing
You got 26 seconds left, and they're so far down there, and now they're like back up in that fair value gap. So they did not like anyone who thought like they're inverting that. No. Just kidding.
Yeah, nothing here.
Unless they close this down here at 14-ish in the last 2 seconds here. Nope.
Artlist.io.
So we're sitting at IB low here. That's a pretty bad rejection, actually, all the way to IB low
Music licensing reimagined.
on the NQ there. Now we're slightly below it, but looks like a pretty big rejection of IB low to me. You got a little on that, hey? Johan got a little on that bounce, obviously.
Artlist.io.
Austin's about to do a duck race. I got my name on the list over there. You guys got a Black Shirt Club Friday meeting?
Oh yeah. I don't know if I'm showing up for that or not.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh, Dow printing another green candle. How many points we got on that right now? 160 points up in the last two candles here. So I picked up a little bit more Bitcoin on the pullback yesterday or the day before, and then it went up pretty nicely. I was up about 3,000, like the price was up 3,000 on Bitcoin, and then now it's down by like 5,000 from my entry price. Which I mean, I have a long-term plan for Bitcoin, so I'm buying dips, right? So
You're just doing the DCA thing.
yeah, exactly.
Music licensing
I didn't put too much in
reimagined.
there, just a little bit.
Just pull back to
about-
VWAP on ES. See if it rejects it or if it breaks through.
160 points from the low on NQ right now.
Artlist.io.
Should have believed in my idea there. I was like, that's a IB low rejection if I ever saw one. And now we're up probably 70, 60 points from IB low.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, I mean, if you're looking at IB low, I'm not interested in trying to take a bounce off of that, considering what it did yesterday.
Oh yeah. Okay, Trump's interview ended on that Brian Kilmeade radio show.
Don't know it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't know it either.
Just took a short on ES at 65.70.
Artlist.io.
Right at that VWAP area.
I think this is going to be a bit of a gamble here.
Hey Luke, good
Music
morning.
licensing reimagined.
What's Gucci in the markets today? Mostly chop so far, but lots of price movement. So options might be a little risky. I don't know.
I'm not touching options today.
Johan said he's meeting with the new mayor of New York today. You're talking about Trump, I guess?
Artlist.io.
Come on, shorts, let's go. Pay Uncle Nick here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on. Show me the money.
Trump is meeting with that communist mayor.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Authoritarian meets communist. There you go. Going in your favor there, eh? Should be.
Yep. Oh, it is.
Because NQ pulled back pretty nicely there. Tapped off IV low though, bounced a bit.
Keep going.
I really got to figure out something with it for this music. Everyone keeps telling me that I should be able to download some like music off of YouTube and use it, but then you know, everything I try to download is it says you need premium. I'm like, I don't really want to pay premium YouTube either.
Yeah.
And then you can get their like free music because they have like a music area, like a royalty free area, but I don't know. I just didn't find anything really good on there. I should probably make another attempt to find some, but my truck is fixed. Can pick that up today.
So was it wheel bearings?
No, they said it was a U-bolt.
Ooh, U-joint?
Well, they just said U-bolt. They
Wow.
said it came untorqued. So I think it's the one that like holds the you know, like at the leaf spring, those U-bolts, the ones that like hold your axle.
Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I think that's what they're saying because and that kind of makes sense as to why it would be wobbly.
Music licensing reimagined.
But we'll see. I don't know. I'm assuming they test drove it and stuff after, so and it also had a belt issue. Like the belt had deteriorated. It was squeaking for a week or more, and then all of a sudden, like I heard like slap, 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 and I was like, "What the heck?" So I opened it up, and the belt had split in like half, and then later, the slapping stopped, and it was like only like half the size of the belt normally, right? So the half of it broke right off. So, yeah. So they're saying that that U-bolt was not to the torque specifications that it should have been. and that's why it was loose, I guess.
Well, that would be an issue.
Yeah.
So I took a grand total of $25 in profit on that short.
Oh, too bad. Well, it's better than a loss, but hey, it's
Yeah, I mean, I should have closed it out long before I did.
yeah, it was in a little bit higher profits, obviously.
Yeah, quite a bit. I'm just gonna sit here and eat my pineapple and
Artlist.io.
I thought Austin's stream ended because they had cut it to like a video, but they're still all on there, so I bet you
Randy.
Evan's just being flat right now.
yeah, it's Evan. Of course he is.
He's just a professional at
Music licensing
patience.
reimagined.
The Buddhist monk. All right. This is the second 5-minute candle over VWAP on ES. See if it sticks.
Artlist.io.
So I really like this place that we're staying at right now.
Reimagined.
Yeah.
It's literally the beach is in the backyard.
Oh, that's awesome.
You walk past the pool, there's a little path that goes through a gate, and you're on the beach.
Nice. And that's a public beach or is it a private?
There are no private beaches in Costa Rica.
Oh, gotcha.
Artlist.io.
But that being said, the entire time that I've been here, the only place that I've seen a beach with a lot of people was in Tamarindo,
Okay.
and that's where all of the tourists go. So
Yeah, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
the locals refer to it as Tamagringo.
And I guess a lot of the locals probably don't spend a whole lot of time at the beach during the day. It'd be a little hot, right?
Yeah.
But those vacationers.
But Sunday is like family day at the beach. Everybody's out there with, barbecuing and playing soccer and frisbee and
Artlist.io.
Mm-hmm. Well, we got 2 minutes on this candle, and it's pulling back pretty heavy on the NQ. If we close below
Artlist.io.
24,018, they're going to invert that bullish fair value gap. There is one more bullish fair value gap on the 15 below that, though. I just noticed. Sort of at the bottom of IB low. So we're not really out of the woods, like
Music
for the shorts.
licensing reimagined.
Bearish. Actually, no, that wouldn't be there anymore because that, or no, this is the bullish one. Sorry. We already inverted that one earlier, actually. So this one I can take off because we had a 15-minute closure below it in pre-market.
Artlist.io.
I think I'm gonna have to try to take a nap. I need to follow up with the new lease though today. New potential
Music
lease.
licensing reimagined.
The lease cost is quite a bit higher on this one, but it's like a brand new building and it's like right on a really busy road and it's right near like the largest shopping center in Abbotsford, which is a town next to us. So I feel like it's worth it. and you know, concrete floors. So I don't have to worry about anything crazy for the flooring. I can just get the they just use like two-sided tape, and then they have like rolled polyurethane
Artlist.io.
like finished like court, so it's like a
Okay.
little bit cushy, but it's still hard. It's ball bounces off and nice. So yeah. So some good things about it. That you're allowed to put a mezzanine in. So I'm thinking the pro shop's gonna be like
Music licensing.
on the main floor, and then upstairs above the pro shop is gonna be a little mezzanine seating area, so you can like watch the games from above.
Oh, that'd be neat.
And I'm also gonna get a 360 camera for community engagement. So you know, like you stand in the middle and the camera spins around and takes videos, like an action video of everybody. So yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
That would be neat.
Yeah.
I don't know much about the video equipment anymore.
Yeah.
I've seen the 360 cameras that they put on motorcycles and cars and stuff, but those are the only ones that I've ever seen.
Well, this one's a little bit different. It's like it's the ones that you would see at like, you know, at like events where there's like famous people, and like the camera literally is on an arm and it rotates all the way around you.
Reimagined.
All right.
So like you know, like they always do some sort of like movement as the camera's spinning around. I don't know. It's pretty
Gotcha.
cool, though. And then we'll just charge a small amount for that. If they want pictures, like, you know, if they want to just do it for free, we'll let them do it. But we're gonna only post that on social media. But if it's like, it's gonna be like $3 or $4 or something to like, if they want a copy of their picture kind of idea. So not really a money generator, just to sort of like pay back the cost of the camera, because it's like $4,000 for that. But just more like to build that community engagement, just so people can have fun, and you know, maybe for their own social media or whatever they want to do, right?
Oh, absolutely. That would be
Reimagined.
a nice offering for your clientele.
Yeah, just that
Let's put
community involvement stuff, right? Yeah.
I just put in a short on ES now. Oh shit!
Nice. Woo. That was a nice
And
top lower.
I'm out.
Very nice.
Artlist.
All right, I'm up $2,000 for the day now.
Woo. Making some nice trades there.
This has been a stressful day.
And then you're back up to where pretty much where close to where your entry was. Well, NQ is. I don't know exactly what your entry
No,
was.
ES is still a little bit below where the entry was.
Reimagined.
Got a bunch of orders down at 23,900 on NQ.
Artlist.io.
But we still haven't inverted that fair value gap on the 15th. So that's kind of got me a little worried about this, like trying to take the short much lower than like what you did there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Sitting right at that 24,000 level on NQ, so pretty key area. Starting to push a little bit lower, but it looks like the buyers don't really want to let it go too much lower here. Let's see. Keep buying it up.
So on ES, we're getting close to the low of day. So I don't really want to short it again here, unless it breaks through that low of day, in which case.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, we have sort of a bit of a divergence currently on the NQ and the ES because ES still has a higher low, and NQ is kind of like, it's not a lower low yet, but it's like a lot further down compared to NQ, compared to ES.
Artlist.io.
I was just gonna say we're getting a strong push down, but this is no different than it's been all morning.
Yeah, I'm short here. I'm already
jump in
in
3 seconds.
Music licensing.
Come on, go lower here. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Okay, well, I stopped out $13. It's pretty risky down here. That's why, like, I pretty much instantly put my stop in a little bit of profit there, because I was hoping we were going to get instant continuation, but
Smoking that hope dope.
Artlist.io.
yeah, it's just a momentum play, right? But again, it's just when it's already pushed down that much on this candle, it's hard to not be conservative, right?
Better off being a little conservative.
Artlist.io.
Because yeah, it just bounced. So just bounced 30 points there.
Maybe I should be playing with NQ today.
Yeah, it's moving fast.
Music
Pull up my-
licensing reimagined.
How much is the mentorship on the Black Shirt Club right now? I think you said
It's
it's
500 a month.
500 a month? Yeah. Yeah, I got too much stuff going on. I'd love to, but
Artlist.io.
so they got Austin, James, Evan, and Randy as coaches.
Austin, James, Evan, Randy. Yeah.
I thought I heard Zach Arbucci
Music
say that he
licensing
was
reimagined.
coaching somebody,
Oh, maybe.
but not from Black Shirt Club though. Oh, there's my dad. Good morning. We matched that similar low there from earlier.
Artlist.io.
Oh, I just pulled up the NQ chart. I don't even want to play with that.
Yeah, it's
That's
pretty.
gross.
Been pretty nasty.
The
trying to knock
ES isn't.
Yeah,
Music
Yeah,
licensing
the ES isn't much
reimagined.
better, but damn.
yeah. They've both been forming lots of big wicks. We basically have sort of an equal lows formed on these wicks on the NQ on the last 15-minute candles, or 2 of the 3 last 15-minute candles here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I got to follow up with that lease because I don't want to like get too excited for it and start doing work for it until I find out that it's still available.
Artlist.io.
The agent never got back to me yet, so maybe I should send him a touch base.
Yeah, I might have to do a letter of intent this week for this hotel.
Oh, nice.
Music
I'm gonna
licensing
be going
reimagined.
over all the their bookings and expenses and everything. They sent me all their spreadsheets and everything yesterday, so I get to play with numbers for a few hours tonight.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about another short in ES here.
Artlist
Roll.
IO.
Quick scalp. See what it does.
Playing with profits.
All right. I'm short.
Music licensing reimagined.
Figures I go short and it starts climbing.
Yeah, with this price action, could see it pop up a bit here and then reject again, right? We've been making sort of couple like pop-ups here and there.
Yeah,
Artlist IO.
rejection at like 65, 65, 65, 72. I think I'm willing to hold this for a little while. Put my stop loss up at 65.80.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO. Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I got my stop loss in. I'm in my short. I think I'm gonna go and
actually-
grab myself a cup of coffee.
I'm actually long on NQ though,
Are you really? Oh, okay.
and it's not working out very good yet. So
Artlist
It's all right. My
IO.
short on ES isn't working out too well.
might end up taking a stop here.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I'm out.
I'm in profit now. Locked in profit.
Just
Yeah,
like a
keep going,
$100
keep going,
loss.
Keep going, keep going.
Artlist
I'm up
IO.
120. Might stop me here. You're gonna keep going. There we go. We're out. So I'm up 29 bucks in this account. That was a $80 winner. So, on two
Good deal.
contracts. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, that wasn't bad. Scared me a bit though. I think I was down about 100 bucks, a little over 100 bucks. I tried to add on the pullback too, because it was like it kept holding the IB low. So I tried to add, and I usually add on the ask or on the bid, sorry, and it just kind of like left my order. So I tried to move it up a little bit, still didn't take it, and then I just deleted the order because it's like no, it's just
Artlist
I don't want to add like right at my entry price. just kind of like feel like I would have been adding risk. I mean, you're adding risk either way, but
Artlist.io.
All right, I'm stepping away from this for a minute. I'm gonna go grab coffee.
sounds good.
Music licensing reimagined.
I gotta try to find this real estate agent's name again here. You're long in oil. I'm in on oil long time ago. Oil's going up or what? Let's see. Where's this oil? Crude oil, crude oil, crude oil. There we go. Are you in sort of down 50, low
Music
57 area?
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Long, yes, that area. Nice.
Artlist.io.
Did I cut that long too early, guys? Could have held it longer here, but what was my entry? Is 57.
Artlist.io.
Out at 77.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, pulling back here again and again on NQ. Can't seem to get anywhere, guys. Where is this agent's name? Gotta harass him. Call me back. think I found it. Wow, guys, took out that IB low. Starting to head lower here. We got 22 seconds on this candle. How long do we got on the 15? Okay, we got 10 minutes. There we go. Josh Gaze. We just don't want to let go of this Ivy low here. Oh, you took that short scalp. Nice. And you're still in that oil long? Holding that? Take a picture of this guy's name. Sheesh. Now we're right back up, guys. This market cannot make any decisions right now. This is probably all because of options. There's probably some options expiries happening today that are like, it's like they got to hold it in this area.
It is Friday.
Yeah. I'll probably wait. I should wait till at least 9 to call this agent, though. Don't want to wake him up too early. Quite often, these real estate agents are up till 1 a.m. So, like me, but then I'm back up at 6. I only got about 5 hours last night, so.
Yeah, the real estate agents around here are all also they're all surf instructors.
Oh, interesting. That would be cool. Yeah. So weird. I don't know what Zach is seeing. So Zach's talking to the chat, but like my chat isn't really scrolling. Okay, I think what he's doing is he's been doing this thing where they put their markup for a plan in the Discord, like a trade plan, and whoever's trade plan looks the best, he's kind of been giving giving a prop firm away, like an account to them.
So when I put in my my full port strategy at low of day on a long,
Yeah,
gonna be real impressed with that, right?
yeah. That's just kind of what happened actually there. As it was bouncing up here, it hit like supposedly the profit target. So, and he's like, "Oh, so and so, great job," blah blah blah. It's like, still climbing here. How long? How much is this candle here? 120 points on NQ on this last 5-minute candle. Sheesh. We're right at that 21 EMA now. long do we got on this 25 seconds left here.
Have you looked at gold market yet today?
I have not at all. Pretty sideways too, a little down, right?
Yeah, it's
Sort
a
of.
little bit down, but
A little up, a little down. Not very clean price action. It's bouncing right now though.
yeah, it's bouncing now. That means it's going to drop 40 points within the next minute.
Yeah. When it's trending, it's nice. But usually it's kind of like, how do you know what it's going to do? Because it just likes to pull back really hard and then it'll make the move, right?
Yeah.
So makes you think you're going to go and then super pullback. And then, so if you're thinking long, it's like, oh, this is looking good. Okay, well, now I'm going to wait for the pullback, then go long and try to take it up.
Yeah, don't just go into it like, oh yeah, great.
Yeah. It's looking
There's
strong.
always that pullback.
Unless it's, back when we had some of those super trending days where it's just like there wasn't much pullbacks once it starts picking a direction. But today's not one of those days.
Every once in a while you get one where it sits in one direction, you go into it, and then you walk away, come back at 4 o'clock and close it.
Yeah.
I know Rebecca's been doing her overnight trades where she'll put in a short or a long and then just put a stop loss in and go to sleep.
Oh yeah. I was gonna do that a couple nights ago, and then I ended up closing the trade at a small loss because it went against me first. But it would have got like about 8 or 10 points away from my take profit, and then it would have reversed before I woke up. So it wouldn't have worked out anyways.
Yeah, I wouldn't sleep. There's no way I would not be able to sleep if I did that.
You'd be like, well, I wonder what's going on with that trade. Pop your eyes open in the middle of the night. I'm going to try along here on my 25K valuation account. Like we've been holding this above this last 5-minute candle here. Just going to target sort of front run the midnight open price. See if we can't get a bounce. I got my stop just below the low of the candle there. Stops
Taking
in
a
the
short
corner.
on gold.
Nice.
There's one mini. Keep the stop loss relatively tight.
I got stopped out for $11 on that. Coffee alarm. Oh, there we go. Of course, now it pops.
Of course.
That's how it works. They always revert it a bit before they pop it. And that pretty much would have been my TP right there. That's too bad.
now that I'm in a gold short, I'm gonna sit here and wait for this to actually do anything for a half an hour.
Yeah, right. We're hitting up to that 24,200 on NQ right now. I think after we shut down the stream, I'm going to take a nap.
Sounds like a plan.
Need a little more sleep.
All right, I'm out of this.
Oh, yeah. That's a pretty green candle there.
Yeah.
I was actually thinking about shorting NQ right at the 24,200 level. Would have worked out. Down 20 points already from there. You're done. Have a nice day and weekend. All right, Johan. Thanks. Good to see you. And I guess see you Sunday night then. See
Oh,
you
I forgot
Sunday.
about your Sunday night streaming.
Yeah. I just went short here on NQ, trying to see if we can't get a little bit more of a pullback down to the previous candle wick here.
You know what? I'm a little bit up for the day. It's
Ooh.
11:30. Volume's decreasing. So you know what time it is.
It's
It's time for me to head the heck out of here.
yeah.
Oh, look at that ES.
Yeah, my short's not looking very good right now. We're bouncing here. I need to cut it. Let's see a little pullback here on this. I wasn't fast enough to lock in that W there. Might get another attempt at it here. I'm not sure actually. Good question. Maybe it's closed because is it Thanksgiving or something? I'll have to double check that. Might have to stop this long out here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. This is a 25K valuation account. Actually running a little bit low on drawdown in this account. Looks like we lost Nick. Maybe his internet went out there for a sec. Uh-oh. Trouble. Big trouble in Little China. Don't have a whole lot of drawdown left in this, so if I'll be pretty close to losing this account if it pops up too much more. Come on, just going a little bit into profit here. I need to stop this out. I think it's looking too bullish. They're fighting it up here, but it's still looking pretty bullish. So. Well, might as well let it ride. If we end up losing this account, so be it. We're about $100 away from losing. It's actually hit the max daily loss limit actually there. Oh well, trying to rush that evaluation account. Not working out. What do I got left on that? Oh, there's like absolutely no drawdown left in it. So that count is pretty much gone. That's too bad. That was a free account that I won. Took 4 trades, risking about $250 on every trade. It only has $1,000 drawdown. So yeah, I bumped up the last bit. I should have actually made the full loss amount, but I mean, it would have just lost the account anyways, either way. So it's all good. Looking pretty strong right now, though. Are they going to go to IB high here? Quite possibly. I think I'm actually in the wrong prop for match. I think I'm in the vertical stream. No wonder it's been looking so weird today. Let's see here. Prop for match. Okay, that's why. Yeah, I've been in the wrong stream. No wonder. Well, it looks like Uncle Nick went home. Major indexes are higher after New York Fed president indicated he sees room for further policy adjustment in the near term. So they are thinking of lower rates, you think? Yeah, I heard that, I thought it was a few days back. One of the Fed guys said, yeah, they're talking about doing a 25-point basis cut. So I was like, oh, well, that's pretty bullish. And then we had a bit of a bounce that day. And then yesterday we just like, just kidding. And we did that, right? NQ down 1,279 points. That's just savage. Savage, guys. Just savage. Where are we at? Where are we at here? Looking pretty strong still, guys. Got 5 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 4 minutes on this 5-minute candle. We form a little fair value. There's a tiny fair value gap there from the overnight, lining up with the overnight VWAP. Basically super tiny, but it's there. Volume's pretty low right now. Is Trump and Mandami going to speak at 12 o'clock? I didn't see anything on the news about that, but oh yeah, it is. It says 12. Trump meets Mamdani, which is 3 p.m. I think for you though, because mine shows 12 o'clock, so that means 3 hours later, right? On the East Coast. So that's like 3 p.m. Don't really see a whole lot of orders on NQ right now. It's in East Coast time, 12? Huh. Because like my financial juice is set to my time. So like, we had mission sentiment at 7 a.m., which is 10 a.m. for you guys. And yeah, it says noon on mine, so that should be 3 p.m. for you, but it could be wrong, right? It could be incorrect. I guess Nick lost a connection there, so I guess he decided to call it a day. So we got 24 viewers right now. We got 18 in X and 5 in YouTube total. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Appreciate you guys as usual. All right, well, we got a decent little pullback with the hold there of about 50% of that last bigger bullish candle. We're starting a new 15-minute here. So I'll probably, this Russell is parabolic right now. Let me see. Oh, sheesh. No kidding. It's looking way better than everything else right now. Wow. And you said you had a long or you had a one contract way earlier. Are you still holding on to that? Maybe I gotta start trading Russell, man. YM's also parabolic. Sweet, man. Good job. Hard not to take a long on this right now. Just kind of was hoping for a bit more of a pullback into this zone. Where's that M2K? Let me get that on here too. I might start watching that a little bit more, see if I can't learn it a bit. Where is it? Not there's Russell 2000 RTY. Where's the mini? They don't have a mini? Mini. Oh, there we go. M2K. I already had it on there. Just going. Let's try a little long here. I might stop here at the bottom of this candle. It is looking very parabolic. Try to get a little more continuation here. Try to lock this in profit though pretty quick if I can. You know what? I'm not even going to give it that. There we go. Get a nice move here. I put my stop to break even. See if we can't get a little bit more of a pop out of this. Very nice. Okay, gonna lock it in there. 1.5 points. Keep going, keep going. There we go. Trailing. There we go. All right. Well, not a huge winner. $23 times 6 accounts. First trade on M2K. Got to be pretty aggressive up here though. Like, I just don't know it at all how to trade this one. So, but it was just looking so strong there. It already had done its pullback, right? Because if you look, there's it's pullback kind of goes higher, pullback goes higher, pulls back, go higher, pullback, go higher, pullback, go higher. So I was liking it that it had already pulled back and it was holding sort of the top of that, the wick of that last candle. I'm like, well, this on a momentum standard, it's looking pretty good. This thing might just keep going, but turned this. I think I was down $6 in this account. So what do we got here? Made only $30 because I was down 80 in that one. So not the biggest winning day, but no complaints. So 30 there plus 20-ish there. So that's 120, $150 on the day. Not a very big day, but could be worse. I think I was down. Was it down to 80? No, I was down more than that at some point earlier. Let's see. Yeah, I took 142 loss on my first trade. Sure, wrong account here. Let's see. Yeah, I took 187 loss actually on my first trade. So made my way back to up 30. So I'm pretty happy with that. And we're coming up on 9 o'clock. So I'll just stick around for another 6 minutes and I'm going to wrap it up. I just running low on mental capital today. Up late playing hockey. We won 7-5. I scored 3 goals, so I got a hat trick, which was pretty sweet. Really nice assist also. And yeah, I ended up, the guys, we always give somebody on the team player of the game. And it's whoever wins player of the game on the previous game has to bring a beer to give to the next player of the game. So I got a couple beers yesterday anyways, from the team for winning. Or for winning player of the game anyways. So gonna have to make sure I take some beer for the next game to pass it forward. So nice, man. Bought at 90, sold at 440. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. That's a good day. Better than serving. Hey? You gotta pull your tips, give it to the cook also. Maybe I should have a Taiwanese pancake. I need to take a nap. I'm probably gonna try to call this real estate agent though. Here again. Follow up with that commercial listing. Oh, you got to keep all yours? It wasn't tip sharing or tip pooling? Yeah, the commercial property I was looking at for the pickleball center, actually they refused my offer, and seems like they basically stole my idea, and they're just gonna do it themselves. Unfortunately, it's a pretty shady action, but what can you do, right? So about when I first reached out to them a little over a month ago, I said I said, "Oh, well, what are you thinking to do? Like, what are you thinking about for the property?" And I was like, I was like, "Oh, I'm thinking to do a pickleball center." And then they stopped talking to me for like a month. Like they wouldn't respond to my text messages, wouldn't respond to my emails or anything. And then about a month or a little bit more than a month later, they reached back out to me, and they're like, "Oh yeah, so we're looking into the pickleball center. We've already applied for the permits. We Nvidia popped up, so that's why NQ's ripping here, Czar. Nice. Yeah, so they went ahead and they got contractors in to check the area, measure it, and do layouts, and went to the city, got the permits, and then they like called me back to say like, "Oh yeah, well, why don't you if you want, it's the owner is pretty busy, so he doesn't necessarily want to do the pickleball center. So why don't you write us an offer?" So I did all this work, got contractors in, everything, wrote up offer, and then they just straight up rejected it, and no counter, no back and forth, no nothing, and they just decided, I guess, that they wanted to do it themselves. So basically screwed me out of it. So I've already found a new location, so now I'm reaching out to a different agent. I think it's actually going to be a better location. It'll be a better setup, but it's in Abbotsford, so it's about like from my place, it's about a 25-minute drive. So not super far, but I do have this other new 50K instant funded account. Could think about trying to. How's that Russell looking now, man? It's probably looking like a maniac. Yeah, it's a maniac. Look at that. Whew. I don't know, guys. Hard to trade it up here, though, hey? Where are we headed here? We're heading to 400, I guess. 24,400. Yeah, Nvidia definitely created this, didn't it? Found support down at 173, and now it's up at 181. Oh, gold too. Holy smokes, look at gold. Gold's up at 4,100 now. Sheesh. Are they going to try to recover a whole bunch of yesterday's price action or what? How much of a pullback are we going to get here? Could be an opportunity for an entry here. I'm going to take one here long. in long 2 here now. Just wanted to buy this pullback, see if we can't get some more continuation on this. If we start bouncing up, I'm just going to bring my stop up sort of to the bottom of this wick in case we get some sort of a drastic pullback here. I'm willing to add one more contract, and then that'll be my max size on this trade here. If we hit this low here. There we go, we added there. So that'll be our last contract. If we end up coming down too much more, we're going to definitely cut this trade. Uh-oh. Are they going to pull it back all the way to IB high here? That's trouble. Don't really want to start my first trade out in this new account with a loser. So hopefully... Come on, get up to that high. Get up there. Come on, boys. Let's go. Let's pop up. Let's pop up. Make this green. Come on, buyers. Let's go, buyers. Gonna go break even now. Don't pull back here. Come on, keep going. Gonna actually get up in here in the bottom of this candle. If we wick lower, I'm just gonna stop us out. Let's see. Hopefully, we're gonna get a little more bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Okay, we're out. 150 bucks there. First trade on this new 50K account. Not a bad start. Happy with that trade. Just noticed that the candle was finishing, so I'm like, okay, well, you know, this could happen. So I figured, let's lock it in at the bottom of that new candle in case it decided to continue higher. It could have done one of those, right? They pull back, holds this level, gets a new candle, and just starts going, taking the new high. But obviously, wasn't done pulling back. I mean, that's quite the move. But happy with that. Up 156 in this account. First trade. I gotta actually add this one to my my TradeZella here because I don't have this one set up there yet. So top step, file upload, and let's down export the trade. And let's rename this guy. This is my 50K TOF D2 POF November 21. There we go. All set up. Yeah, upload these other trades too here. I haven't done this one yet. Same trade would have worked there. Wait for the 50% of this candle roughly for the pullback with an entry. Didn't quite get all the way down to the 50%. And it's up, 20 points roughly there. Did I upload that? So it's 378. 6 something, 612. Yeah, that's right. All right, and then I gotta do my Lucid accounts here. Upload that Lucid. Lucid number 1. Number 4. Number 5. And the direct. Oh, that's weird. Why does it say that? Oh, I didn't. That's why. I haven't activated this new account that I just installed into my chart. So, all right. Well, $347 on the day, so not bad. Calendar looking okay. I had that $3,000 loss on Monday, and $2,000 winner on Tuesday. So I ended up finishing the week up 557. Some small wins after that. So 3K down on Monday, up 2K on Tuesday, Wednesday up 780, Thursday up 430, Friday up 350, and then the Sunday it was a small win, $114. So 557 on the week after that big loss on Monday. Monday was not my day. Okay, guys. Well, hey, it's been a fun stream. It's Friday. I think I'm going to wrap it up. I'm running a little low on sleep and energy. So I'm going to make a quick call to that real estate agent and then go try to take a nap here for another hour or so before I got to get on with the rest of my day here. So appreciate you guys all tuning in. Again, like usual, we got 21 on X and we got 2 people in my YouTube. So thanks. I think that's probably Czar and Luke. Thanks for hanging out, you guys, as usual. Appreciate it. And hope you guys, I think you guys are both green on the day. So that's awesome. We all finishing up green on the day. It was pretty nice. So thanks so much, everybody. We'll be back live Sunday at Market Open, 6 p.m. East Coast time. I will set up my stream ahead of time so that you guys will know what time we're on. It might be at 6 p.m. or it might be at 8 or 6 or 8 p.m. Anyways, I'll set it up ahead of time so you guys know, depending on how my day is going, because I do have some work on Sunday. So yeah, thanks so much though, everybody, for tuning in. We'll be back on Sunday. See you then. Peace out.